currently en route to go look at a little Magnatrack mini bulldozer. Thing sounds kind of cool, needs a little work. My buddy's taking me up to look at it, so I don't know, we're gonna check it out.
Said there's an old man looking to want to buy it too.
Oh yeah, no dude, people want these.
But they're the scraper or the plow blades right there, and the bigger buckets right there for it.
Oh yeah, so it's got both of those. Cooler beach one.
Yeah.
By golly, she's on the trailer. The Struck Magnatrack Hydro 5000 has made it to the property. It was a lot of fun getting this thing moved on that trailer.